Malaysia's medical device industry is making significant moves on the global stage. Last week, new figures highlighted the nation's ambition to transition from a major manufacturing hub to a comprehensive medtech ecosystem. For years, Malaysia has been a world leader in producing items like rubber gloves and catheters. However, the focus is now shifting towards higher-value products, including orthopedic implants, cardiovascular devices, and diagnostic imaging equipment. This strategic pivot is supported by government initiatives aimed at attracting foreign investment and fostering local innovation. One key example is the government's renewed focus on the Medical Device Authority, or MDA. They are working to streamline the registration process for new manufacturing facilities, particularly in the northern state of Penang. A company specializing in AI-powered diagnostic software recently received fast-track approval to set up a new R&D and production facility. This process, which previously took over a year, was completed in just 7 months. This signals a clear intent to compete with other regional hubs like Singapore. The strategy involves not just manufacturing, but also design, development, and global distribution. However, navigating this evolving landscape presents unique challenges. While the government is smoothing the path for facility registration, the requirements for product registration and post-market surveillance remain stringent. Foreign companies are finding that a successful setup in Malaysia requires deep local knowledge. For instance, the compliance standards for locally manufactured devices intended for export to the EU or US are complex. Companies must align with both Malaysian MDA regulations and the standards of the target export markets right from the start. This dual compliance is a common point of failure. Furthermore, supply chain integration is a critical hurdle. While Malaysia has excellent infrastructure, connecting with reliable local suppliers for specialized components can be difficult. The most successful foreign firms are not just setting up assembly lines. They are building local partnerships and investing in training the local workforce to meet global quality standards like ISO 13485. The opportunity is immense, but it demands a strategy that goes beyond simple manufacturing outsourcing. It requires a deep integration into the local regulatory and business environment. For expert guidance on navigating market access and regulatory strategy in Malaysia and beyond, you can email or visit Pure Global.